guys, welcome to the moving vlog, part 1, potentially. It's finally here. The time has come. Well, not quite, but I'm recording this part on January 2nd, and I wanted to document the process of me moving my crap and my kid to New Jersey. And yeah, we're less than a week away from the moving date. I'm currently in my car, as you can see, and about to drop off some donations at my honey hole, and I will not go into thrift because we don't need more stuff right now, even though I went there as recently as 2 days ago and bought more stuff. Again, I went there with the intention to just drop off donations. Went in, had half an hour. What's the worst that can happen? You spent 50 bucks, but you find some really great stuff. So there's that. No haul videos for a while, but that happened. And then I'm gonna head to my storage unit actually and see what's still in there, what I want to donate, what I maybe want to try to sell, and what I want to toss. So if you've been here for a while, you know I've been going back and forth to my storage unit and have attempted to just clear it out completely, but for some reason stuff always keeps ending up in there again. And so I'm not stressing out over it. If I need to keep it a little bit longer after I move, I will. It's fine. We'll still come back here. But yeah, ideally I want it to be as empty as possible. Also with the intention that if the truck does not hold all the stuff I'm trying to move to New Jersey, I can put some stuff in the storage unit, you know? So anyway, if you want to follow along for all this craziness, then enjoy today's video. Whatever it ends up being, it's probably going to be at least a 2-parter for this whole moving vlog series. I honestly don't know how it's gonna go, but like I said, we have about a week, so there's gonna be some packing footage, some driving footage, some unpacking footage, some chit chat, some life updates. So that's roughly what I have in mind. We'll see how much filming I actually get done, but enjoy and hit the like button, especially if you hate moving as much as I do. So let's go drop off some stuff at my honey hole that I'm gonna have to say goodbye to, sadly. Really love that place. Some of my best finds came from that place. So there's that, but off to find a new honey hole in New Jersey, I guess. Why is my car sounding like it's in pain? I do not appreciate that. In case you can tell, I'm already stressed out. The storage unit. So in case you're wondering what's still in Veronica's storage unit, all of that's trash by the way, we have some random kid stuff, some blocks I tried to sell and nobody wanted them, a swing, a bike, a hamburger phone, some ankle weights, can't talk. We also have a baking pen in the shape of a butt. I kind of want to keep it, but also no. Also, I found a random scarf with bows on it, and my mini ears from the one time I went to Disneyland. It's Disneyland in Florida, right? Oh god, I look horrible. Anyway, I might keep the ears just for, you know, just for giggles, but the scarf's gonna go. So, but we're making progress. I mean, there's still stuff in here, don't get me wrong, but a lot of it is pretty much empty. I need to find my air mattress. That was the other reason I wanted to come here, because I think the air mattress might be in there. So far I haven't found it yet. So we'll see how that goes. It's not here, it's somewhere in my house and I'm not sure where. So, wish me luck.
Several days later.
Guys, it's Wednesday, pre-move. I'm literally laying on the floor on my child's plush elephant, surrounded by my inventory on both sides, and a thread-up box, of course. And I'm exhausted. I'm done. I'm so done with this move. And it's a work week for me, so I have a lot going on at work, coming back from Christmas, winter break. And yeah, I'm trying not to lose my mind, basically, with this move and work and having my kid at home right now as well. So the whole we can do it all thing, not really feeling it right now. But anyway, if you ever lay down on the floor in your office or somewhere else and just stare at the ceiling for 5 minutes, just know that you're not alone, because I do that too. It's usually when things get really bad, that's where I'll be. It's also good for my back, because my back's been killing me. Filming this on my phone, so sorry if the quality is not great, but that's just what you're getting with this vlog. I haven't really filmed anything since Sunday, but I've been packing boxes, tossing a lot, donating a lot still, so at least that's happening. I have a whole bunch of unlisted and unphotographed inventory that I packed up yesterday. I mean, not a ton. It's like 2 of these totes, 2 of those inventory that I just didn't get around to photograph it. And that's the last thing I want to worry about right now, is photographing inventory when I have to pack things and sort out my life. But yeah, I'm debating to take an extra half day off of work maybe tomorrow, just to get things sorted and organized. I don't know. Might do that. I might actually need to do that, because I'm very overwhelmed and my anxiety is starting to get up there. So yeah, it's a lot to take care of. I'm working on getting my kiddo up, registered for school, after school care, all that fun stuff. There's his current school calling me right now, telling me he's absent, even though I already let them know he's not coming anymore. So it's just, anyway, yeah. But if you hate moving, and if you move a lot or have moved a lot and you're still losing your mind every single time, even though you should be used to it, I'm right there with you. So sorry for this horrible angle. It's just, that's real life right now. So back to more footage of me packing, hopefully, if I ever remember to film that. So yay, see ya.
The next day.
Okay guys, it is Thursday, 2 days before the move. Thursday evening to be exact. I got productive, got some stuff done today. Felt a little bit better than yesterday, but things are taking shape. I am out of breath. But I'm feeling okay. I'm feeling more confident today that I can actually get everything done and packed. I am taking tomorrow off, Friday, just to finish up everything. I have a love child, in case you didn't know. I have a bunch of stuff that I need to go toss out tonight, and then also put in my car to drop off for a donation. Hi.
Ooh, now I can go there.
Yes, now you can go there. I took the entire shelf down.
Finally.
Finally! Were you waiting for that?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put it back up in the new place though. Anyway, I'll be checking in later. Oh my god.
What is this?
It's a chessboard.
Yay. Says.
Look at all this inventory. It's not bad, actually. It's a lot less than what it used to be. Okay, trying this again because my other SD card just gave me an error message. How rude. Anyway, hi guys. Back at it again. I don't remember what I last filmed and how this is all going to come together. It's the Friday night before the move. It's actually technically Saturday. It's after midnight. We're getting the truck in the morning. We have moving help coming to load the truck, and then we'll hopefully be on the road by like noon, 1 o'clock-ish. Making progress, definitely. Mostly packed. I'm at a point where I'm like, okay, it's gonna be okay. Whatever else I need to do, I can do in the morning, hopefully. I will have to get up early, but check out all the inventory all packed up back there. And also threader box, which is a perfect fit, by the way, for my printer. So this move is not sponsored by threader, but it might as well be because I'm using a bunch of threader boxes in this move, not gonna lie. But anyway, I'm exhausted. I need to get some rest, and yeah, hopefully have enough energy to handle this tomorrow. And I think I'll try to get some footage in the morning as we're loading, and then I'll end this part of the vlog and film a second part where it's gonna be the moving in vlog and just chatting about, you know, life changes and things like that beyond moving and what's next for me in my business and personal. And yeah, I think that's gonna be part 2 to this vlog. Thanks so much for coming along and for joining me. As usual, I don't know how this is all gonna come together, but I'll figure it out and you'll hopefully see the end result. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. Definitely glad I decided to take a bit of a break from YouTube because there's just too much going on. There's work, there's moving, there's a whole bunch of other things, and it's been a lot. So I'm gonna go lay down, watch some Netflix. Good night, guys. A little bit more footage hopefully coming from tomorrow. If not, then I'll see you in the next one. Just gonna be part 2 of the moving vlog. As always, hit the like button if you want to support me, and if you're not subscribed, do subscribe. There's going to be a lot more content coming, thrifting in new places with new friends. I'm excited for it. Not so much right now because I'm really exhausted, but I will get excited for it, I promise. So I will see you all on the flip side.
Several song-filled hours later.
That moment when you grossly overestimate how much crap you have and your truck's half empty. Howdy friends, checking in from the car. Hope you can hear me, it's pretty loud. Kid is asleep in the back seat. The truck is packed. I grossly overestimated how much stuff we have because the truck is only halfway full. So, oops. Anyway, we're on our way. We meant to head out around noon. We didn't actually leave Virginia until 3, so that's fun. So we should get there by like 8 if we don't make any stops, but we'll probably will because small child and all that. So I'm guessing between like 9 and 10-ish probably. It's going to be a late night, and then we're going to have to figure out where our air mattresses are and sheets and things. I had it all packed with, you know, notes on it, like pack this last, but the movers stacked it up so good, we're gonna have to be looking for a few things when we get there. So it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be an interesting night for sure. I'm glad this one back there is getting his rest now. I wish I could do that, but yeah, it's a long day. I've been up since 6:30. But it's all going, and we're heading to New Jersey. So far we're making good time, but we're only like half an hour into this drive, so we'll see how it goes once we get to the DC area and the Baltimore area. So yeah, everything's good, no snow on the road, and yeah, just trying to make it there and then hopefully get a decent night's sleep on our air mattresses. But I just wanted to check in one more time before wrapping this up. I might give you some driving footage. I didn't get any footage, as you probably noticed, of the movers and any more, stacking and packing, but it's a move. I mean, it pretty much looks the same, I think, for most people. As usual, I'm surrounded by loud vehicles, so it's just my life, I guess. But anyway, I'm gonna focus on the road, and I'm gonna maybe show you some scenery, but my windshield is like really dirty right now, so I don't know how that's gonna pan out. We're gonna try, we'll see. So enjoy or not if it's just a whole hot mess.